Waiting for buses and streetcars on a cold night like tonight, well, it's certainly not any fun, and certainly it's during times like these when the issue of bunching becomes a big problem for TTC users. And according to some recent data from the Better Way, streetcars continue to be the least punctual mode of transit for the TTC.
King Street line?
Lots of bunching?
Yes, and the traffic, and it's not frequently buses coming, so it's terrible.
Now, bunching is when buses or streetcars are not spaced out and on time like intended. Rather, they bunch up all tight together in a row, resulting in long wait times, sometimes in between those clusters. Traffic congestion, heavy ridership, and weather are all reasons why it can occur. So here's a snapshot of how the TTC did on its performance targets for yesterday. As you can see, the subway lines were pretty much bang on and on time. Buses were less reliable, only departing from their end terminals on schedule 71% of the time. Streetcars were the worst offenders, leaving when they should only 44% of the time. The TTC says technology will soon help them get more insight to the problem.
That's where our new, what we call vision system, our automated vehicle locator systems will really help us in terms of managing routes and keeping on top of routes, because it's the reliability that is so important to our customers.
According to one of the leading experts of bunching at the University of Toronto, there are some simple fixes to the problem, but he admits it is a delicate balancing act.
The internal factors that we can deal with is increasing the headway a little bit by using bigger streetcars and also spacing out the stops so that we have a smooth ride, and it's not really stop and go. That really also gives rise to streetcar bunching problems.
One of the worst lines for this is the King and Queen streetcar lines. The TTC says the longer the lines, the more prone they are to bunching. But the TTC says they hope to have a new vision tracking system up and running by next spring.